Why do some creators blow up while others stay stuck at 1,000 followers? It might be the meme. So let's dive into how creators and brands are using memes to build their presence, expand their reach, and stop the scroll without selling out. What is meme culture and why does it work? Memes are the internet's version of shorthand, bite-sized jokes, commentary, or pop culture references that carry massive relatability. They spread fast, evolve quickly, and reflect what people are feeling right now. In a world flooded with content, memes cut through the noise because they're simple, emotional, and instantly recognizable. For creators, memes aren't just entertainment. They're fuel for audience connection. They make your content funny, current, and most importantly, shareable. So how to spot meme trends? You want to be early, not late to a trend, so you'll need to think like a meme scout. Start scrolling subreddit meme pages in your niche like RC memes or R relationship memes. Utilize the research in TikTok Creative Center and CapCut template trends. Check out meme-heavy accounts for inspiration like Influencers in the Wild, Kale Salad, Memazar, Overheard LA, Dude with Sign, Not the Worst Mom, and Saint Hoax. Your FYP is your radar. If a format is everywhere, it's time to make your version before it fades. How to adapt memes to your brand. You've found a meme format, but how do you make it yours? Pick a format and concept that fits your niche. Make it personal and contextually specific. Keep it lo-fi and casual using tools like Canva or CapCut. Here's a real influencer example. Haley, aka Haley Bailey, is a perfect example of how to make meme formats brand-defining. She reenacts viral audios and observational skits, often mixing in high fashion and everyday tracksuits that create a relatable contrast that is hilarious, scroll-stopping, and instantly recognizable. She proves you can stay on trend without ever losing your voice. And a brand example would be RyanAir. They turned their TikTok account into a full-on meme page. They use green screen jokes, POV memes, and self-aware commentary to troll their own flights. The content is savage, chaotic, and completely on brand. You don't have to be polished. Just be memorable. Meme marketing do's and don'ts. Do, make memes specific to your audience. Use trends to express your personality and move fast. Don't force it if it doesn't fit your voice, overproduce, or miss the trend window. Some of the most successful meme accounts didn't just use memes, they invented them. Dude with Sign, Not the Worst Mom, and Overheard LA created formats that now feel iconic. Your jokes, your quirks, your POV can become a meme format others copy. Remember, memes are the internet's inside jokes, and if you can make your audience feel like they're in on it, you're building loyalty and growth. Whether you're launching a product, building your persona, or just vibing with your followers, meme culture gives you a fast lane to relevance. Drop your niche in the comments and I'll help you memify it. Like and subscribe if you want more content strategy tips that actually speak Gen Z.